Hi, my name is Terrence, and I'm here to tell you a story which I call Tweet to Receipt, which I think perfectly exemplifies what we mean at SAP by Beyond CRM. We're going to walk through a consumer journey, contextually engaging her and giving her delightful experiences. So come along with me. So my name is Morgan, I'm a consumer, and like all of you, she's looking through her Facebook feed at the end of the day. There's a new candy bar flavor ice cream that's been launched, and she's been given an offer to try it. She can opt in by giving her mobile number. She automatically updates her profile in SAP Hybris Profile. Looking at the offer, she remembers she's allergic to nuts, so she'd like to understand whether there's any allergens in this food. So she starts to respond in there and say, hey, are there any nuts in this recipe? I am now a service agent at Blue Penguin Foods. My role as Julianne is to respond to customer queries. When I log into Cloud for Customer, I see a dashboard that's arranged just for my role. Tapping into the queue, I'm able to see a contextual list of all the customer inquiries I need to respond to. So look, there's Morgan's message right now. So I'm gonna accept this, and opening it, I get a 360 view of Morgan. Not just her, but her purchase history, recommended products, previous issues we've solved for her, and even a timeline of all our interactions with her. But going back to her question, I need to respond immediately with, do we have nuts? No, she is more than welcome to enjoy this. And because we really want her to try this new flavor, we are gonna set her up with a free cup of ice cream, and it'll show up on her phone as soon as she gets close to it. And with that, I'm done with the customer's question. So back as Morgan, hey, they responded already. And look, they gave me a free offer to try a cup of ice cream. I had some new thing called a smart vending machine. Well, I'm gonna add this to my passbook, and I'm gonna forget about it and go about my day. As I'm walking down the street, I get this alert reminding me that I have an offer ready waiting for me at the smart vending machine. As I scan myself in, it remembers who I am, my previous purchases, all the offers, including the free cup of ice cream that they'd like for me to try. So I'm gonna pick it up. And as I redeem that coupon, look, there's my ice cream. I'm gonna go enjoy it now. So we're gonna go to the last part of the story now. Everything that it takes to keep this machine operating well. Of course, being SAP, we've managed the inventory, we have a trade promotion in place, and even we can keep this running if it breaks down. Now I'm gonna switch over to Jeremy, a technician on the Blue Penguin Foods team. I'm looking at my calendar and I see the prioritized list of tasks. There's a machine here, which is my first task for the day, which is having an issue. Rather than a 360 view of a customer, I have a 360 view of the machine. Checking in allows me to track all my hours, and as I jump into how to solve it, it's already pre-tagged the issue and offers me a troubleshooting guide. First thing it does is walk me through, hey, is it plugged in? Of course it is. The next thing is it looks like it may have a defective board control. So let's walk through that. This 3D visualization walks me through exactly the part that I need to solve. But as I'm walking through it, this is a little bit tricky, so I'm gonna phone a friend. I'm gonna reach out back to the home office and see if my colleague Wendy is around. And with that, I'm able to interact with her via video, real time. She helps me get to the next step of the problem. And as I resolve it, I go through, test it, put it back together, and the machine is back and operational. Checking out, it lets me know that not only did I solve this issue, but I am now at the next level of skill as a technician. And that's our Beyond CRM story.